Hey, Naija. Every day, na be mumu. In fact, our mumuness don't do. Our mumu don't they go high places. It don't upgrade. If na say where fire they burn for inside Ogun State. Not be small fire. Fire, serious one they burn. Now there they can't call these firefighters. In fact, then this one they even manage to reach there. But as they reach there, my people, making a gas what they use they fresh water gallon. In fact, Nigeria are the supply. We don't tire. What they do this motor? We say motor no fit supply water again. When we say na jerry can, yellow keg. And I can't decide say na this one I want to go to use it. In fact, Nigeria, everybody don't increase. My people are back. Making a follow me is na eye. See what thing they happen inside Ogun State.
Why you Ogun State? Nigeria by yes, Busha. Like you, between on Joe by. What do you know? These guys never exposed. Pano. Ogun State. Buhari. Say baba, see our life. Send load. Pano send load. Send load. Go to load.
Naija. Hey! So water don't finish. I been a go tell me say na enough. And they say the distance. See where motor park, see where fire dey. Then these people say they even fear for their own. Hey! Firefighters they fear for their own life. What thing I can't sign up this business for? As I know say I no go fit do enough for just sit down for na house. Make people use their normal soap and water and gutter water. They go quench this fire. Because me I no can see the reason why I can't come outside. Come on fire and I no fit off. And this thing they burn. But I beg, the person where they record this thing, you suppose, in fact, you need slap. Because when, as they know say, firefighters no fit do anything, at least when I gather and safe, carry buckets, go they quench this fire, at least you go do something. Not be one way, one day they talk plenty, say, Buhari, this one no be boo-boo matter. We never supposed to call boo-boo for this one. Because when I get governor go there, they chop money, things when I supposed to put in place, and I no go put. When they see where this thing they land, common water no dey inside the firefighters. I been what they call them their tank. So what did they want use before? Na piece. They want use their piece. They go quench this fire as they come out from their station. When we say they no feel this thing before they come out there. I beg when we go start to the guessing. When they go start to the fix things for inside this country. Governor of Ogun State. You they see this kind of thing and you know say that this kind behind their motor self not even good. I mean they pack for that kind of place. I mean they don't even get hose. Where go try and reach this fire. Now until this tank can I go explode before I will come to say I won't do something. And I beg, what did they happen inside Nigeria? My people, the kind where fire, they burst, gas, they do it. They make me they wonder. On a sure say they never go sign up Nigeria as an explosion country. Because every day this one don't burn. Tomorrow, this one don't. What did they happen? I beg you sure say we go even reach this 2023. People go there alive to reach this kind one. Because every day, bad thing. See pano now, they don't go hang for there. Pano no fit pano again. Now wow, Nigeria, every day. So say yeah thing. Governor, I beg, work on your state. Do the necessary things so that all this kind of thing, nobody will come the face boo say na boo do this one. This one I don't even blame him. Because he don't come as I talk, say, make every governor do their work. If governor do this kind of work now, maybe for this their station, buy them better motor, maybe 1 or 2. This one, they know who come as I can't stand here. Can't carry jerry can say, now the they won't come use, they go they fetch water. My people, things they happen. Shocking things that they happen inside this Nigeria. More things say, if you even hear and say, to even be Nigerian, to call yourself Nigerian self, go tire you. You over tire me. I hear this one, I can't make a bring and coming aside. Making ourselves using that, hear what they happen inside this our Obodo Nigeria. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody says go see what we yarn about. I will see you now for our next video.